Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus running on Android 10 versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus running on Android 9 Pie. And we have a One UI versus a One UI 2.0 on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And I am using this S10 Plus for about 2 or 3 months as my daily driver. And now I receive the Android 10 update. Let me show you that I am indeed running on Android 10 on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus versus Android 9, and you can see, and it is not the beta version of the One UI 2.0 based on Android 10. And in the new update we have also a little bit changed notification bar, and you can see we have a little bit changed notification bar, and the app animation is also changed. On the Android 9 we have this, and Android 10 we have this very smooth animation. Same thing happened with the home application, and you can see, and we have a very smooth animation. It is the same animation that we see with the iOS. Now it is also available on the Android, and this is your one bar on the bottom, home, and you can swipe up and hold like this. We have a recent apps, and you can back like this, that we see on the iOS as well. And let's see how much a difference between the S10 Plus running on Android 10 versus a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus running on Android 9 Pie in head-to-head speed test battle. So like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see the boot up speed, it is improved or not on the new software version. And the logo came up first on the Android 9 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus on the right, and the Android 10 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is on the left. And you can see, and the logo is also different on both phones, little bit difference, not huge difference. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus based on Android 9, it is faster than the new one, which is very impressive. And you can see not a huge difference there. And like always, everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, basic stuff phone dialer. And you can see that was about the same on both phones, but I have to say that the animation feels more smoother on the Android 10 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus followed by the Android 9. So moving on with the settings, and again that was about the same on both phones. Only difference we have is the animation feels more smoother, which I really like. Same thing again happened with the micro application, and we have no improvement in the system based application speed. And moving on with some more application like my files on both phones, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Android 9, but we have a smooth animation. And again that was about the same, very smooth animation on the Android 10 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So launches some games application, and first on the list we have is the Candy Crush Saga. And you can see Android 9 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a little bit faster there. So opening up the Subway Surfer, and let's see, and you can see Android 9 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a little bit faster than the Android 10 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And last game we have is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. Boom. And you can see Samsung Galaxy Android 9 feels a little bit faster there, I have to say, but animation, opening up animation is more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Android 10. So last, let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. And guys, you know that both phones comes with a 8GB RAM with a Exynos 9820 chip. So let's see phone dialer, no refresh, and we have also very smooth animation with the recent apps, give you a little bit bouncing effect at the end. And you can see no refresh on both phones, very good, excellent RAM measurement performance on both phones. Let's see the Candy Crush, and no refresh so far on both phones. Let's see the Subway Surfer, again no refresh on the both phones. I have to say very good RAM measurement performance we have on both phones, no refresh there. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is about the same speed on both phones in the system based application as well as a game app loading time. But I have to say that the One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 give you a more smooth experience on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but we have a no difference there in the speed wise. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus based on Android 9 and based on Android 10. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.